In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on your Trustmaster T128. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Turning on the Trustmaster T128 is extremely simple. You will be able to do it by plugging it into any available USB port on any platform. Regardless of the model, all that you have to do is connect it to a computer or console, and it is going to get sufficient power for you to use it. So all that you have to do is unbox the Trustmaster T128 and you will notice a USB cable. Just plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PC or a console, such as the Xbox Series S, for example. As soon as you plug the USB cable in, not only will the steering wheel be detected and recognized as a standard controller, but it is also going to get sufficient power. So essentially, it doesn't require a separate power source. All that you have to do is plug it into any USB port, and as soon as you press any of the buttons on the wheel, you will be able to use it. They usually don't have a turn on or turn off button, but if your specific model has one, all that you have to do is press it as well, and immediately the steering wheel will be usable. So you can go over to any game that supports steering wheel inputs, such as Forza Horizon 5, for example, and when you proceed over to the settings, you will be able to select the steering wheel from there. Usually, you don't have to do anything else. It will be plug and play, although it is recommended that you visit the official website at support.trustmaster.com, and in here, you will be able to download the latest firmware available. By downloading the latest version of the drivers and the firmware, it is going to help you use the wheel without any problems, and all of the features will be unlocked for you to customize. So consider going over to the website and updating the firmware before using it, although this isn't strictly necessary, and usually it will be plug and play on all platforms. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on Trustmaster T128. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.